Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Extend2Fit 3-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode using the vehicle seat belt. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. First, remove the infant supports. These are for rear-facing use only. Next, make sure the lower anchors are stored on the side of the seat. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat into one of the 3 forward-facing recline positions, ensuring it is appropriate for your child's weight. Make sure it clicks into place. Unhook the tether strap from storage and lay it in the seat. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Next, thread the vehicle seat belt through the forward-facing belt path marked with the orange label and out the other side. Check that the strap is flat and not twisted. Buckle the seat belt. To lock your vehicle seat belt, slowly pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then let it go back in. You will hear a clicking sound. Slowly pull out on the belt to ensure it is locked. To tighten the vehicle seat belt, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Extend the tether strap by lifting up on the tether lock and attach. Tighten to remove all the slack. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, retighten the vehicle seat belt, then retest for tightness. Your car seat is now installed.